Hi guys, this is a quick review and this is my latest replacement cable for the USB-C for power bank. So basically it's a short one because you don't need a long cable in order to charge with your power bank. It's a very sturdy one, has a metal material on the plug over there as you can see, and a braided cable. So I'm using the Smart power bank, quick charge 3.0 supported. So let's check it out. As you can see, I'm getting quick charging. So that's it. This is a cable that can support quick charge. However, it's only USB 2.0 standard. You can't transfer on the USB 3. So do thumb up if you like this video, and I will see you again. Peace.